Today, I will show you the 5 best apps that pay you real money, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. These are the 5 apps that will pay you real money. And the last app on our list is the best app, and I have tried it myself. All you need is a smartphone with an internet connection. So like the video, and let's start with the first app on our list, which is called Userfeel.com. Userfeel is an app where you can test various apps and websites and get paid to do so. The way this works is, basically, companies from all over the world will need someone to test their apps in order to find any sort of bugs and problems in those apps and websites. And this is where Userfeel.com comes in. The companies will pay Userfeel.com, who will then pay people like us to do the testing. So, you get paid to test simple apps and websites, which is the easiest way to make money online. And as you can guess, such testing doesn't require any particular knowledge, a set of skills, or experience to do. And that's precisely why this is the first app I'm showing you today. It's an excellent place to get started on making money online if you've never done so before. Furthermore, this is a very popular app that has over hundreds of thousands of testers from all over the world. So this does work in most countries and will most likely work in yours too. And this is arguably one of the best features of this app. But for our future videos, comment down below your country name so that I can make more videos for you and for others watching from your country. Okay, so Userfeel also have hundreds of happy clients, and some of the said clients can be seen just below, which as you can see, includes some very big companies that I know some of you will recognize right away. You can also see quite a bit of info about this app as well as the features they have. Userfeel is a multilingual usability and user testing tool. You can test any site in any language. Their panel consists of more than 150,000 testers speaking 40 languages. This, I reckon, brings a lot of their customers to this app, as having testers from all over the globe means that the site or the app that's not in English can still be tested without any problems. And the best thing is that you can do it just by using your smartphone. You don't even need a laptop or computer for this. In the end, it is of course your decision. But the fact that this is doable on smartphone is a big bonus, because you don't have to be at home essentially to be able to test the apps. A phone or tablet is all you need to do so. Down here you can see that you can get your results very fast and some extra info about the app that I simply won't go over because it's irrelevant for us. What you need to do instead is to scroll down below and click on Tester FAQ. And that will then take you over to this page where you can see that you can get paid $10 per test, with each test lasting between 10 and 20 minutes. In other words, you can get paid $10 in 10 minutes at least and 20 minutes at most. That's not a small amount of money, considering the fact that you literally don't need any skills to do this. Now when you come onto this page, I recommend thoroughly reading everything here. But real quick, if you guys are enjoying this video, then give it a big thumbs up and like the video. Okay, so a great feature about Userfeel is that you don't need to pay for anything, just like it says here. However, you will need a Windows or Mac computer and a smartphone, which I already mentioned before. If you have a laptop, then you don't even need to buy a microphone because it already contains an internal mic. Even if you have smartphone, you don't need to buy any external microphone because a smartphone also has an internal mic. You won't need to use your real name when conducting a test, so don't worry about that. Something that is quite important to mention as well is the qualification test, so you won't be able to get started on testing right away. But this qualification just verifies that you have a microphone and you can complete various tasks. Once again, it's nothing too complex. The last thing worth mentioning is how you get paid. As you can see, you do get paid through PayPal. And I know from some of my comments that some of you want apps that will pay not through gift cards alone, but also through other means. And with this app, PayPal is most definitely an option. Now to get started with Userfeel, all you have to do is scroll down below, click on Become a Tester, and just fill some simple information to start making money. Now, moving on to the second app on our list is called Honeygain.com. Honeygain is a perfect way to earn passive income online. This app is quite a bit different in comparison to the previous one because you will be making money by sharing your internet. But don't worry, your security is not at risk or anything. And as you can see here, Honeygain is indeed secure. It ensures that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partners, and the app never asks for or gains access to the storage of your device. So they won't steal your data, and your internet traffic is only used by the people they trust. If you want to read more on this, you can click right here. Just below, you can see how Honeygain actually works. And long story short, it makes the internet more accessible to other users out there. And in return, you get paid to do that. Down here you can see the 5 steps to make money with Honeygain. So your first step is installing Honeygain. Then, you run HoneyGain on your device. The app will gather data using your internet data, which will help other businesses in the process. And finally, you get paid to do nothing but sharing your internet data. You get paid through PayPal or crypto like Bitcoin or Ethereum. The last thing worth mentioning about this app that I can't leave out is the fact that it does not pay a huge amount of money, and the money you get paid depends a lot on your internet connection. But I have to remind you that this is a passive income method, not an active one, as was the case with the first app. With HoneyGain, you can just leave it running and it makes you money. So in my opinion, you should use both the apps. You should use HoneyGain when you don't have the time to do anything, and Userfeel when you do have time. Before moving on to the third app. Okay, so the third app that we will be covering today is called moneyapp.org. This is one of the best rated apps of this kind that I've ever seen out there. And as you can see, it's also available for both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. If you come over to the App Store, you will see that not only does this app has a 4.9 star rating, but the said rating is given by hundreds of thousands of people. So this just proves that this app can and will get you paid. You will get paid by completing various tasks they have to offer, which will earn you credits, which you will then exchange for money. The fourth app on our list is mypoints.com. MyPoints is a website where you can make money by completing simple tasks, completing easy surveys, and most interesting one, by playing fun games. And this is the best website for those people who don't have PayPal available in their country, because here you will get paid via Amazon gift cards and other gift cards like Visa gift card. And the good thing is that they will pay you $10 just to join their website. And if you want, you can also earn some cash back doing shopping through this website. MyPoints has a 4.5 star rating on Trustpilot, and it is trusted by many renowned brands like Disney, AT&T, Hulu and many more. Here, you can play your favorite games like Angry Birds, and you get paid to do so. And the best thing is that you have many different gift cards like eBay, Starbucks, to withdraw your earnings from this website. And when you log into this website, they will allow you to earn even by referring this website to your friends. So, you can share your referral link with your friends and family using your social media accounts like Facebook and Instagram. And you can make a complete passive income online, starting from today itself. This is the easiest way to make money passively. Now the fifth app on our list is Prizes by GameMe, which says the fastest $1,000 by just playing games. Thanks for watching.